Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 that generation between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where guys the relay for rear window defroster is located. Stay with us, we'll explain where to find that relay, where you can buy cheap relays from because they can be really expensive and pricey, and number 3, why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So right here guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. Check the relay, and if the relay is not bad guys, check the fuse for the rear window defroster. We'll have the video on the channel as well, check it out. Once you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator fan, you will have the main engine management fuse box right here. That's the fuse box that you will need to work in guys, and once you open the lid, you will see the fuses. You will face them that way. You will be on this side and the windshield will be towards this side. Now let's explain why it's always a good idea to test relays and fuses so we don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So those Ford Motor Company relays could be really hard to find sometimes if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, so I recommend to keep some as spares in the glove box. Mostly use two, three different kinds. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money guys. And if we come in that row right here, the relay for the rear window defroster is number 1, 2, 3, 4. That Ford relay right here we'll need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.